welcome back to our vegan kitchen. I hope you're having a great Memorial Day weekend. What do you eat on Memorial Day weekend? Burgers and hot dogs. Well, we had our carrot hot dogs earlier in the week, and now I'm trying out this, well, I've already tried it out, but it's new for you guys. This burger made with mushrooms and very few ingredients. Sometimes you can get overwhelmed by vegan burgers because it's got like so many different flavors and blah blah blah. This is so simple and so delicious. You're gonna love it. And easy. That's the best part. Who wants to be in the kitchen for hours? I want to be outside by the pool. Don't you? So the first thing we're gonna do to make our mushroom burgers is sweat out our mushrooms. So we have a pound of sliced mushrooms here. Doesn't really matter what kind of mushrooms, whatever you got. If you got the portobellos or if you got the white mushrooms, they're all going to be good. They might have a slightly different flavor, but the way mushrooms are, it's all going to work the same way. So the first thing is spray my little pan here with a little bit of olive oil spray so that the mushrooms don't stick to the pan. We're going to pop this into the toaster oven. You don't even have to turn on the real oven. You can do this in the toaster oven. We're going to pop a whole pound of these bad boys in here. And we're going to put it at 375 in the toaster oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then we'll meet back right here. Alright, so they were in a total of 15 minutes. I just took them out. We're about to make our cohesive mixture right now. So what we need is hemp. The original recipe used walnut to give, raw walnut to give you that texture of like a burger. But since I'm allergic to tree nuts, we're going to be using hemp. But you could definitely use walnut if you wanted. Probably even sunflower seeds would be really nice in there as well. So you're going to do a half a cup of that. And don't worry, the complete ingredient list with all the measurements and a crude explanation of how to make the recipe will be in the info box below. So we've got our hemp. We've got one standard sized can of dark red kidney beans, drained. So we're going to put those in. I did my best to drain it. Might be a little wet, but oh well. Now this is part of the secret ingredients. This is a packet of quinoa and brown rice with garlic. Very flavorful. You could use, if you don't have this, I would use 2 cups of quinoa, 2 cups of brown rice, 2 cups of regular rice. Sky's the limit. It's pretty forgiving, this recipe. So I just basically heated this up in the microwave for 60 seconds to kind of reconstitute it a little bit. So this is going in.
I love that rice mix so
already,
much.
Right?
Yeah.
And our mushrooms.
Let's switch sides.
Okay.
Oh my god, that rice. I just got a whiff of it.
It's so good. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to pre-mix this first because it's a little big for my food processor. And, yeah, I'm just going to pre-mix this. Because that'll make more room for the mushrooms. See, there's more room. Alright, I don't want to burn my hand. They can go in hot. It's not a big deal.
Coming in hot.
That's right. And yes, we're going to use the juice from it as well. Alright, so we got our mushrooms in there, and the beans, and the hemp, and the rice. We're going to puree this pretty fine, but some chunks are okay. I mean, there's not like any huge chunks in there. You could kind of see like it's quinoa sized chunks. So we're going to take this over to the bowl, and we're going to put the rest of the ingredients in it. Alright, the only thing we did here was transfer it to the bowl, and it's already looking amazing. And my dog loves to drink. Can't get enough drinking. Okay, So we're going to further flavor this with a little bit of pomegranate vinegar. If you don't have pomegranate vinegar, not a big deal. You can even use like a garlic rice wine vinegar, or you could use an apple cider vinegar. We're just going to put a couple of teaspoons in there. We're also going to zhuzh up the onion. We're going to put a teaspoon of granulated onion in there. We're also going to put a teaspoon of the granulated garlic in there. Oh, it's going to be so yummy.
Mm-hmm.
Secret ingredient, the mushroom umami seasoning. This is basically like a mushroom salt. So I'm doing this mostly for the salt flavor, but the mushroom is pretty sweet too. So we're doing a teaspoon of that. And then the last secret ingredient, this is going to hold it together, the cornstarch. So, ooh, can you just smell that already?
Mm-hmm. So good.
We're going to put a half a cup of cornstarch in there. And I know you're saying, whoa, wait. It's going to be amazing. So we're going to very quickly mix this up, and then we'll be ready to put our patties on the cookie sheet. Just give it a good mix. Oh my God, so quick.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we've got our silpat on our cookie sheet. We've got our oven preheated to 375 again. I'm using, I think this is like a 1/3 cup scoop. It's like a little ice cream scoop. What could be any easier than that? I mean, seriously. 1 burger, 2 burgers, 3 burgers. I'm going to flatten these slightly. I'm going to wet my hands in the sink under a little running water. I'm not going to stick it in the dirty sink water. This will help them cook evenly. I mean, unless you want a half of a snowball burger. I don't know. All right, we're going to do these in 2 batches. If I had a bigger tray, I could do it all at once. But I'm going to just slightly flatten them. So they're more of like a burger shape. It's going to fit on the bun.
Beautiful.
Right? And these are going in at 375 for 35 minutes. You don't even have to flip them. Just pop them in there for 35 minutes and we'll be back. All right, there it is.
This is so beautiful.
A beautiful, beautiful burger.
This looks like a Krabby Patty. The way that it's like tiny, but like...
Yeah, I didn't put any cheese on.
Yeah, I'm going to be putting this Daya provolone style on mine, my personal one. But for this tester...
This is the taster.
This looks beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh my God. So do you want to go through what is on here?
Okay, so we have a little vegan mayo on the bottom, a little fresh tomato, the burger patty, some red onion. She's going to really slap it up. And some ketchup on a melt-in-your-mouth white bun.
Yes.
Because that's what you got to have on Memorial Day weekend. You
gotta
got to have a
melt-in-your-mouth
bun. It's a big bite.
Oh, damn.
Right?
That is delicious.
All right. Oh, yeah.
I want to eat more of this, but I'm also about to make my own. So I should, like, not be selfish.
Right.
I'm putting it down. But that is so good.
And fast.
Yeah, it really did. The burgers came together came together so easily.
And it's fast. And it makes a lot. I think it makes about 10 burgers or 12 burgers. Mm-hmm. And
it's mushrooms.
It's easy ingredients. It's nothing funky that you're not going to have around the house. The only thing I would think, if you don't have the Trader Joe's umami seasoning, use a teaspoon of like magic seasoning salt or something like that, and you'll be set.
Yeah, I just want to like...
Yeah, I know. You want to like dive in right now.
Inhale it.
Flip on that vacuum switch on the back of your neck.
Yep.
All right, well, I guess you all better subscribe for more recipes like this.
Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up, let us know in the comments, and if you make it, send us a photo. So thank you all so much for watching. Hope you all have a great Memorial Day and a great start to the summer, and they're staying safe.
Yes.
And smart. So we'll see you guys next time, and until then, much love.